So this is chemistry OUAT 2024. Okay, previous year question. Let's discuss the first 10 questions of this. Okay. So first question is about Bohr's model. Bohr's model can explain what? The spectrum of hydrogen only, the spectrum of atom or ion containing one electron only, the spectrum of hydrogen molecule, the solar spectrum. Okay. But the right option is option number B, that is the spectrum of atom or ion containing one electron only. Right? Okay. The outermost electronic configuration of the most electronegative atom is dash. So let's check options. Okay, so options are given: NH2NP3, NH2NP4, NH2NP5 and NH2NP6. Okay, so the right answer will be option number C, that is what? NH2NP5. So this is NH2NP5. Okay, then diagonal relationship exists between what? Lithium and magnesium, या सोडियम एंड मैग्नीशियम, पोटेशियम एंड मैग्नीशियम, या ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज एल्यूमिनियम एंड मैग्नीशियम. So what will be the right answer? Okay, so option number 3 का A, that is lithium and magnesium. That's it. And question number 4, the energy required to remove an electron of a gaseous atom from its ground state is known as what? That is ionization energy. Okay, simple. Amongst the following, the molecule that is linear is as carbon dioxide or nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide or silicon dioxide. Okay, so what will be the answer? Okay, so the answer is CO2. This is the linear molecule. How? Let's discuss. Okay, so let's discuss how. This is question number 5, that is the CO2 molecule is linear because the two oxygen atoms are arranged symmetrically around the central carbon atom, resulting in a 180-degree bond angle. Okay, so carbon, the two oxygen atoms, and between them two double bonds are present which are linear in shape, that is contains 180-degree angle and which is linear. Okay, so let's move to the 6th number question. Okay, so 6th number question says what? Which has the least bond angle? NH3, BF2, S2O or CH4? So the right answer, that is S2O. At least bond angle. So let's discuss about this. So here, so there are information about the least bond angle of every option, that is NH3 contains 107 degree, BEF2 that contains 180 degree, water that is 104.5 degree, that is the smallest bond angle, and methane that is 109.5 degree. So S2O, that is water, contains the smallest bond angle, that is least bond angle. Okay, so let's move to the 7th number question. The 7th number question says what? Amongst the following molecules, the one with the largest distance between the two adjacent carbon atom is dash? Ethane, ethene, ethine or benzene? So the right answer is ethane. How? Let's discuss. So this is the explanation of 7th number question. Ethane is an alkane, meaning it only has single bonds between its carbon atoms. And these single bonds are longer than the double bond or triple bonds found in other molecules like ethene or ethine or benzene. Okay, so it contains the single bond that is longer than double bond or triple bonds. Okay, so let's move to the eighth number question. Graphite is used in nuclear reactor for what? As a fuel for lining inside of the reactor, as an insulator, as a lubricant, or for reducing the velocity of neutrons. So what would be the answer? Okay, so the right answer is option number D, that is for reducing the velocity of neutrons. Okay, so ninth number question, which of the following elements is most metallic? Phosphorus, arsenic, bismuth, or antimony? Okay, so the right answer is phosphorus. So how it is possible? Let's check. So here, for the most metallic element, look for the element on the periodic table that is farthest left. That is farthest left, and farthest down. I mean farthest down and farthest left. That is at the end of the farthest left. That element is most metallic. Okay, so move to the 10th number question. Oxygen molecule exhibit what? Paramagnetism, diamagnetism, ferromagnetism, or ferrimagnetism? Okay, so what do you think? So the right answer is paramagnetism. Oxygen molecule exhibit paramagnetism. How? Let's check it out. So here, O2 molecule exhibit paramagnetism due to the presence of two unpaired electrons in their molecular orbital configuration. So O2 molecule exhibit paramagnetism due to the presence of two unpaired electrons in their molecular orbital configuration, and these unpaired electrons spin generate a magnetic dipole moment. Okay, जो two unpaired electrons generate a magnetic dipole moment, and which cause O2 to be attracted to the magnetic fields because of two unpaired electrons which are generate a magnetic dipole moment by electronic spin, and which causes O2 to be attracted towards the magnetic field. Okay, so this is only 10 questions of chemistry of 2024 PYQ. Okay, so this is part 1. So there will be part 2 and part 3. Okay, so keep learning. Thank you.